Hello. So this is our basic battery of 16 cell, in which this is the first cell, and the next one is the second cell, next one is the third cell, going forwards, and here is the last cell, which is the 16th cell, the positive of the 16th cell. So this is our BMS, smart BMS, which is made for the 16 cell battery. And for this we have, this is our voltage sensing harness, which senses the voltage of each cell. So here, as we can see, that we have three color wires. The first one is the black one, in the middle we have all white wires, and at the end we have a one red wire. So this first black wire will be soldering to the negative point of the first cell, that is the ground, and the first wire adjacent to the black wire will be soldered to the connected to the positive of the first cell, and the next white wire, the second one, the second white wire will be attaching to the second cell positive terminal, and going onwards all the white wires we will be attaching to each cell. The last red wire, which is the highest cell, it signifies the highest cell, so we will be connecting it to the positive of the 16th cell, which is the highest cell. And also this is our power wire. It has two wires, one is the black and one is the red. So this is as the previous one, this is also connected, the black wire is connected to the ground, that is the negative of the first cell, and the red wire is connected to the highest cell, which is the 16th cell positive terminal. So this is our smart BMS. It, as you can see here, we have B minus, and here we have output. So here we, with the help of these thimbles, we screw these cables at this terminal, and this B minus we attach to the negative terminal or the ground of the battery, and this positive terminal we connect to the negative terminal of the charger or the load that is applied. So the sequence for connecting all the wires in this BMS will be as follows. So first of all, we have connected, as I have told you, we have already connected the B minus to the negative terminal of the battery and the output to the negative terminal of the charger or the load, and we have connected these cables to the terminals using these screws. Next, this power cable, which we have already attached to the battery terminal, will be connecting this to the BMS. Next, we will be this is the temperature harness. We will be connecting this temperature harness to the BMS, and these points we will be attaching to the different locations in the battery which are heat producing, to sense the heat. Next, this harness, voltage sensing harness, which we have already attached to the terminals of the battery, we will be connecting them to the battery to the BMS. Like this. Next, we will be connecting this reset button here. Next, we will be connecting the ignition button. Next, further we will be connecting this LED wire to this wire with having a similar connector like this. Next, we will be connecting this buzzer to this connector, which is in between the LED and the voltage sensing harness like this. At the end we will be connecting this CAN communication harness here. As you can see that these all points has been marked on the BMS at their respective position, so that no confusion is created. Thank you.